By the end of this video, you're going to have a perfect symmetrical tie knot. You'll be able to tie a tie so well, it'll look like it tied itself. Be sure to stick around to the end for a bonus tip on how to get a perfect triangular shape. To start off, position your tie like this, so that the narrow end is sitting up higher than the wide end. Cross both ends over to make an X. The wide end goes over the top. Hold the center of the X, and with your other hand, bring the wide end of the tie behind that X. The back of the tie should be facing outwards like this. Now, take the wide end, bring it up, and thread it down through this opening here. Pull it tight, but not too tight. And you should see a knot starting to form here. The back of the wide end should again be facing outwards. Take your forefinger and place it on that knot. And with your other hand, bring the wide end across the front, like this. Drop it, pick it up from behind, and thread it up through this opening. Now, the reason I put my forefinger here is because I wanted to create a little tunnel. What you need to do now is thread the wide end down through that tunnel and pull it through. Now, bonus tip. To get that perfect triangular shape, pinch the bottom of the knot and pull the tops apart to make it look nice and symmetrical. Hold the narrow end and slide the knot up, adjusting it as you go. If this was helpful, please like the video and let me know in the comments down below. That would mean an awful lot to me. Thank you so much for watching.